Hi, I'm Ben Vaughn, Guys in the Zone, Land and Life Services here in Uvita, Costa Rica. We're standing on a property. This is the entrance to this property. We wanted to show this to you as sort of the introduction. It's called Cascada De Cacao, and quintessential property. It's got a waterfall on it. It's extremely private. It has this wonderful drive, and it has an ocean view. 6 acres, 2.4 hectares. So the camera guy is standing on the middle of the building site. It's a pretty good sized building area. The ocean view today is a little hazy. You can't really see a horizon. It's one of the challenges of doing this sort of thing in Costa Rica. But you get this brilliant light with dark jungle. And so getting it all on tape is a little difficult. But anyways, what he's doing here is he's panning around trying to capture the amount of building space on this property. There's plenty of room for a lovely home tucked into the jungle, light footprint, ecologically speaking. And we're going to be walking down a path now to the waterfall. So this is the Cascada De Cacao. We were just up on the property. We've walked down a path. We're right here next to the waterfall. Let's go have a look. I don't know what you'd call that height-wise. $40 feet, maybe? This is the middle of dry season, so this is about as low as this gets. And it's fantastic. There's a pool down here at the base. You can wade in it. You got this in your backyard.